Global Enli Fund Grant Program. This program offers grants of up to $25,000 to small businesses across New York State who are looking to start exporting or trying to increase their global exports. These small business grants will reimburse up to 50% of total project costs for uses such as participation in trade shows, export workshops, and market customization. To qualify, your business must have fewer than 500 employees, be in operation for at least 1 year, and show your intent to begin or expand exporting in global markets. Applications are accepted on a rolling basis. New York Public Library Start-up Business Plan Competition. The New York Public Library runs an annual small business grant competition for startup entrepreneurs located in Manhattan, the Bronx, and Staten Island. Applicants enter a business plan and then must attend training workshops and meet with a business advisor and business librarian during the competition. Entrepreneurs can win $7,500, $10,000, or $15,000 to start their business. The Brooklyn Public Library and the Queens Economic Development Corporation both run similar grant programs for startup businesses located in those boroughs. Applications for the 2023 cycle closed on March 31. City of Rochester Neighborhood Commercial Assistance Program. Both established and startup businesses within the City of Rochester can apply for reimbursement grants for a variety of common business expenditures, including furniture, equipment, advertising, computers, exterior signage, and security systems. Existing businesses with 12 months or more in business are eligible for grants up to $8,000, and new businesses with up to 12 months in business are eligible for grants up to $5,000. Businesses must provide proper cost documentation to receive a reimbursement grant. Kickstart Wayne County. Entrepreneurs in Wayne County, New York can earn grants to fund their startup businesses. Through this program, new entrepreneurs submit a pitch describing their business or potential business idea. Existing businesses must be less than 3 years old to qualify. To apply, you need to submit a business plan as well as complete at least one SCORE business class. Citizens NYC Neighborhood Business Grants. Citizens NYC offers 2 grant programs to support local businesses and community groups throughout New York City. The Neighborhood Business Grant offers up to $10,000 to fund a variety of small business needs, such as technical upgrades, hiring support, marketing, training, and more. This program also prioritizes businesses owned by people of color, immigrants, and women. The Community Leader All-in Neighborhood Grant, on the other hand, provides microgrants of up to $3,000 for community building projects. These grants are awarded to resident-led groups trying to address issues and improve life in their communities.